Hello, Elena. Take number 4, January 14th. Hello, Elena. All right. Velcro. Have you ever wondered how people get ideas to make new inventions? Sometimes people get ideas by looking in nature. Velcro, now a very popular fastener, was discovered this way. One day, George the Minstrel took a walk through the woods. Along the way, several burrs stuck to his clothes. As George pulled the burrs off his clothes, he wondered what makes them stick so well. So, he looked at them under a microscope. Looking through the microscope, George could see that the burrs had tiny hooks all over them. The hooks caught on to the loops of his clothes. George began to think about making a fastener with hooks on one side and loops on the other. Many people laughed at George at first, but he had the last laugh. He found a way to make his fastener and named it Velcro. Now people use Velcro to attach all kinds of things. People use Velcro to fasten their shoes, their clothes, and their backpacks. Even astronauts use Velcro. The Velcro helps them keep things from floating away in space. Toodles, Elena.